Assalamu alaikum students. Today we shall solve the exercise of unit number 8. The name of the unit is mapping skills. First of all, we will fill in the blanks. Number 1. Directions on a map is determined by an instrument called dash. The answer is compass rose. COMPASS compass ROSE rose. Number 2. A dash unlocks the meaning of symbols on the map. The answer is key or legend. LAGEND legend. Number 3. In the past, maps were used for dash and voyage purposes. The answer is planning battles. Number 4. In topographical maps, places of the same height are joined by dash. The answer is contour lines. CONTOUR contour LINES lines. Number 5. World's atlas is a type of dash map. The answer is political. Number 6. Economic conditions of a country can be explained by the help of dash map. The answer is economic or resource. ECONOMIC economic, RESOURCE resource. Now we will choose the correct option. Number 1. Which is the true representation or the model of Earth? The true answer is globe. Number 2. A map showing the average annual rainfall in Islamabad is an example of? The answer is thematic map. Number 3. Buildings on a map are shown by? The answer is point symbols. Number 4. A student is trying to find his or her way to the local library. Which map would he or she use? The answer is road map. Number 5. Thematic map provides information about? The answer is specific topics. Now we will answer the following questions. Question number 1. What are symbols? Answer. Symbols are small pictures that stand for different features. Maps have symbols too. Symbols are very easy to read if we know their names. Question number 2. What do you know about Google Maps? Answer. Google Maps is the world's most popular online mapping system. In addition to maps, the service also provides travel route directions. Millions of maps showing travel routes and street views are being produced daily by Google Maps. Question number 3. What is the difference between topographical and physical maps? The answer is topographical map. These maps show important natural and cultural features such as relief, vegetation, cultivated lands, and transportation. Physical map. These maps show natural features in an area such as plains, rivers, deserts, mountains, and plateaus. They are best known for showing topography either by colors or by shades. Question number 4. How does a map differ from a sketch? Answer. Maps are exact representation of any area with a scale. Sketch is a rough and estimated drawing of an area without any scale. It does not represent the actual size, location, and distance. Question number 5. Name the different types of symbols used in maps. Answer. Number 1. Line symbol. They represent the line features such as roads, paths, or railway tracks. Number 2. Point symbol. They represent the features like schools, buildings, hospitals, mosques, etc. Number 3. Area symbol. They represent the features of an area such as lakes and farms. Number 4. Height symbol. Contour lines give us idea about the height of hills, valleys, and steepness of slopes. Long question number 1. What are maps and how are they useful in our daily life? Answer. Maps. A map gives a minute depiction of very large space. It acts as a guide in places which we have never visited before. They help us travel from one location to another. There are several types of maps, each showing different types of information, are serving different purposes. These types are physical maps, political maps, thematic maps, economic or resource map, road maps. Importance of maps are as under. Number 1. They gives us information about the world. Number 2, they shows us countries, locations, features and distance, etc. Number 3, they are used for planning and decision making. Number 4, they are used for organizing information. Number 5, they are used in wars. Question number 2, what are the different types of maps? Explain political and road maps. Answer: a map shows minute depiction of a very large space. There are different types of maps. These are physical maps, political maps, thematic maps, economic or resource maps, road maps. Political maps. Political maps are among the most widely used reference maps. They are mounted on the walls of classrooms throughout the world. They show the geographic boundaries and location of countries, states, and provinces. They are usually the first type of map that students are introduced to in school. They are also known as reference maps. A common type of political map would be World's Atlas. Road or route maps. Road maps is one of the most widely used maps. Road maps or route maps are basically used for navigation purposes. They show the roads, highways, railway stations, and airports of a city or country. They also provide information about area of interest like mosques, churches, parks, shopping malls, and monuments, etc. Today, Google Maps is the world's most popular online mapping system. In addition to maps, the service also provides travel route directions. Millions of maps showing travel routes and street views are being produced daily by Google Maps. Students, I hope you have noted down the exercise of unit number 8. If you have any question regarding studies, you can ask in comment section. Take care yourself, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and share as much as you can. Allah Hafiz.